E coming at you from Mr. E Pool Lessons and Quick Tips in Pool. How you guys doing today? And Happy New Year and all that good stuff to you. Alright, this year we're going to start something new. Mr. E is going to be your superintendent. Your superintendent to build a new game. For the new year, we're going to hit the ground running. We're going to take a torch and cut your old game apart. We're going to drop it like a building. We're going to start from the foundation and build a strong game from the foundation up. One piece at a time, we're going to build you a new game. So that's my job as the superintendent of pool, to help you guys take your games to a whole new level. Now, if you a type of player that you like losing all the time and racking all the time and don't want to get no better, don't follow us this year. But if you're the player that want to get better and constantly see yourself improving and take your game to a whole new level, and then you will be the one cracking them and they will be racking them, check a brother out. So subscribe to Mr. E Pool Lessons and take your game to the highest level that you can possibly imagine. Is to drop your game and start from scratch. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, that's how we want to drop a game. Just forget about the way you used to play. We need to drop our games and to start from scratch. Now the next segment right behind this will be starting from the foundation. And the foundation will be your stroke. I did a lot of research on the pros and how they train, how they play, how they think, how they eat, exercises they do, mental drills they do, a lot of them meditate to stay focused during the game. They do exercises to stay down. There's special exercises they do to strengthen muscles that they use when they play in pool. So there's a lot of things to this game to be a really good player. I'm not there yet, but I'm continue working on my game constantly, and mainly is the stroke. Also, I noticed a lot of the top players, they got a real easy shot. They're not like slamming the balls in. They're shooting them really slow. They're putting just enough power to make the shot, get off the reel, and get exactly where they need to be. Now, the paper drill is one of my in one of my segments. Really helped me with that. Now, I'm noticing in my game I have to work on my pre-shot routine, proper body alignment, and perfect stroke a little bit better, slow my shots down a little bit, and continually to stay down. So guys, I want you to evaluate your games and to see where you're weak at, see what you need to be improved at, and let's go to work. Down to the ground. Now we're pouring the foundation. It's time to start moving the game up a little bit. We got you working on your stroke, and you're doing pretty good with that. Now we're pouring the foundation. We want to start building off this foundation and start moving the game up a little bit further. Guys, Mr. E coming at you from Mr. E Pool Lessons and Quick Tips in Pool. Today we're going to do stroke warm-up to loosen us up, to get us ready to hit the table, to loosen your stroke up, to warm your stroke up, to get you ready to be at maximum stroking capability when you hit the table. With proper body alignment and a pre-shot routine. And this is right and left-handed.